watched your YouTube videos over and over, bro.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Very nice.
I've watched your YouTube videos over and over, bro.
Hey, we learn as we go.
I know, right? So as far as mids, highs, and everything, my doors are completely stock. My highs are stock.
Okay.
The only thing I did was got a stereo from Walmart and threw in here.
Okay. What were the equipment in the back? What all do you have?
It is a 32 hertz tuned ported box that I built and reinforced with a buddy of mine, actually Steve in that white Tahoe.
Okay.
I got the WDX G2 DB Drive 10s. I got a Phantom 4K amp, zero gauge wire, 300 amp alternator, and a deep cycle marine battery. So nothing too crazy.
Okay. Did you ever get it metered?
Yeah, actually I metered at 142.
42. Okay.
So.
All right. Are you louder with the seats up or down? Just curious.
Either way,
It don't matter.
It don't matter.
All right.
pretty good, man.
I appreciate
Yes, sir.
that, bro.
Awesome.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm mad cheesing right now.
Yeah.
Getting to meet you in person.
Oh yeah, you're welcome, man. Good to meet
Appreciate
you. I appreciate you watching, and I'm sure you're not like complete. Is there something else you're planning to work on with it?
I'm still
Okay.
upgrading. I'm a work in progress, bro.
Yes, sir. And I like the way you have the amp kind of offset on there too, so that's different. Most people mount it straight on the box. Every little thing helps, so I notice the little things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try to keep that temperature down a little bit.
Yeah, it does help with airflow. Anyway, thank you for the demo. Nice to meet you.
Appreciate it, bud.
You're welcome.
You have good.
You too.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.